Hi, in this video, we'll walk you through the process of copying parent attributes to aliquots or derivatives, avoiding the need to enter the data that is already available in the system. For copying parent attributes, switch to the Sample Management module. Select the samples for which you would like to create aliquots or derivatives and click Create Aliquot Derivative. Select either aliquot or derivative and press Copy Parent Attributes. In the Copy Parent Attributes window, tick the attributes which you would like to copy. Click Check All to select all the attributes listed in the drop-down menu. To save the selected attributes as a template, click Add Attribute Template. Enter a template name and press Save. Press Update to save the settings. For derivatives, the selected parent attributes are copied to its derivatives only if those attributes are present in the corresponding derivative form. Specify the number of aliquots derivatives, the quantity per aliquot or derivative, and select a unit from the drop-down menu. The total quantity consumed is auto-calculated for aliquots. For derivatives, tick the Auto-Calculate Total Consumed Quantity box, and then specify the number of aliquots or derivatives along with the quantity per aliquot or derivative to automatically calculate the total quantity consumed. Press Create Aliquot Derivative. The required aliquots and derivatives are created in CloudLIMS. Thanks for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447.